Afiwe so edaba kompanyefo to si ho sade beye na empanyefo ma biebie nwuma no behunu kwan pa wo mudi ne ma befa so na wo madwumayefo no wo ma bom ho ban enam so ama ekuo bako etom ho si ho ede abasobo dwumadie ehyehyɛ so 2023 Responsible Businesses and Leadership Awards Jumadia ekoso no eye anamoa empanyefo etu sade beye na omo ebebo wo ma wo mo ede ehyehyɛpa egu akwaso ebo wo madwumayefo ho ban na afoforo so ebehye asua penyu odi anim na wototo abasobo dwumadie eye Isaac Nana Adu Jemfi oni Adom Kasee ekasae
awards are yani the CSR Training Institute I work Canada and Canada University Dubai and Kabum and ASR awards. Again, they say you be encourage companies say they would operate responsibly. Can't be say today nema mu yedia na nipa be so fa kwan bia so na odinya mfaso today bia na kwan ya mefa so na nya kwan papa but catch companies say obetimi aye edwuma no kwan paso na wonya mfaso nti program yi ni na no na ye be say catch companies say ehu hia say be fa kwantia bi na be fa kwan bi so na mabu amanfo
enyumaku awodo titiu ene wo ma wo ewo efidi nnwuma mu na enwomasua fanim na enya abasobo no school ni mu baako eye Onua Francis International School na penyu oda no eye Francis Esel Ochiahene
award na ya award katema ya Sunday ebutuna mama yedin akosoro so Sunday if the whole Ghana no when you responsible education institute of the year then child safety care of the year then it's a great award. Now we are Simbia Ubishe. And so we are the papa. And that is what we need in Ghana now. So I did be a baby, born with the ye, Memfendiagro, Ghana, or see a quenim, then Koranso Addison in here, yes, school near basic school. In the Koran Addison, a bon, ye to me abroad Ghana. And maybe Baba, ye nigga, Ghana view. Koran be take over.
Enyumaku bi no so a wo musaka abasobo yi ene Adom Kasee ekasae.
Basically, you know, your workers, you know, we make sure, say, you know, they wear the right attire for the work. In terms of their health, we look after them properly as well.
If you know, if you don't so say want me Emma on so, cause na say no utumo say nemo ayedins kasem ayedin kakranti no wan hwe ni ya na obebu ani egu wasede so